Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with
Daniela.
Okay, so what are we doing today, Mama?
Today we'll be making sausage rolls.
Sausage roll, okay. So what are we using for this sausage roll?
An egg.
Egg and water with. Okay, so, that's cool. Okay, like this, put it in my hand. Thank you. Okay, so this is the baking powder, a little bit sauce, and butter. Baking powder, salt, and butter. So we'll be adding milk. You want to turn it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Big, turn.
Add a lot of flour to mix.
Okay, so let me do it then since it's a lot. Okay. You know you can use a hand to do it too. That's more faster too.
Mm-hmm.
Using hand is more faster. So I will be using hand. My hand is well washed. So I'll be adding a little sugar just to make the dough a little bit sweet. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we supposed to do now?
Then we put the salt in.
Oh, I already add the salt inside. I just put a little remaining. So you keep mixing until they all mix together. Keep mixing. How long do you think?
So what? 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see that. So we are already done mixing the dough. We'll be doing the beef, grounded beef now. So Sissy, do you want to break? Okay, good. So I will be adding this is breadcrumb, little salt, seasoning, thyme, garlic, and black pepper. So mix everything together. You break the 2 eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So we mix it together. You want to try?
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe you want to use your hand or the same thing I'm using?
The same thing I'm using.
Okay.
It's a little bit hard. But it smells good. It's all fine for it.
Okay, it smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I think hand will be faster too. So as I wash my hand. So you just mix all together. That's all we want to do. Keep mixing until everything mixes together. So this is how I roll the beef. Just continue rolling the beef like that until they smooth the way you want to be. They don't have to straight or do not have to be the same one. Yeah, like that. You just you have to flat it very flat because you don't want the to be thick like that. You just make this part. I can't even go in there properly. It's too close to. I'll cut that place off. Redo it. Okay. Let me just see how thin is it now. Okay, almost there. I still had to put a little flour to make it a little bit thin. The whole covers. Okay. Okay, I'm just trying to make it smooth round. This part is covered. Yes. Because of these ones. Yeah, they're flat enough. Okay. Okay. I have to reroll this one so I can stretch it. Yeah. Okay. You can redo it twice to be on the safer side. You cover properly. That's what you need to do. The place is kind of small for me to do it, but it's okay. So you continue doing the same thing over and over again until you done. Wrap it then. You can still stretch this one if you think it's not big enough for you to cover the sausage. You stretch the flour. Yeah, yeah, that's what you need to do. Just try cut it. No stain. Just continue doing the same thing. Same thing until you're done. This is the last one. What is? Just to clean the knife so all the body will not just be messy. That's why I keep using the paper towel to clean it. But if you have sharp knife, it may be a little bit easier for you. But I'm using this the one my regular knife. So I will just put them in oven after this part. So yeah, I will show you how I finished it. So I done cutting all of them. I will just use the egg to rub the bread, the flour part of it. Okay. Same thing. What I did, the little flour, the dough that remained, just little one, and use it to make something else because the sausage, the beef was, I measured it was supposed to be for only 5 roll. So yeah, after the 5 roll, the remaining little dough that remain, I just use it to cut chicken. This is still the same line. It's a snack too, but I didn't miss this one the way I missed what I used to mix my chicken. But instead of the thing to waste or me taking it back to fridge, the one I used left over from the pie, I couldn't reuse it because it spent like 1 week in the fridge. So it was like dried, kind of dry. If I want to use it to make some new stuff, it will not be as fresh. I like mix my flour fresh to use them. Yeah, so this is the last one, and this is what I used the remaining flour to do. These little guys here. So that one do not need egg though. So yeah, I'll just leave them, and the oven is preheat already. I'll just wait for it to stop. Then yeah, it stopped. Yeah, I'll be putting it now. So you can see the beef inside is bringing a little bit water. So don't worry, that's just normal. The beef is almost done, and then yeah, it will be done soon. Right there. Yeah, look at it. We still have to leave it for some minutes before ready. Okay, this is the finished part of it. Sissy is still here.
It's a mini hamburger.
Oh, this is a mini hamburger. Okay, what of the leftover dough? What the thing you used to do? What did you call it?
Chin.
Chin chin. Okay. So yeah, this is the end of today's video. As you can hear, my sissy, she said it's like mini hamburger. So sausage roll is like mini hamburger. So see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.